Vikram Batra lives in all of us. We just need to rise and awaken them. Words will never be enough to express the gratitude for the soldiers who sacrificed their today for a better tomorrow. Now I request all of you to please stand up in the honor of Captain Vikram Batra's funeral procession and now Honorable JFX sir, Principal sir and coordinating ma'am is going to give you Gaza Heroes.
First of all, I am very thankful to you for giving me this opportunity to share my views on this auspicious occasion. Today, on the occasion of Kargil Vijay Diwas, we gather to commemorate the sacrifice and valor of the brave soldiers who fought nobly to protect our nation's sovereignty. This day marks the historic victory of Indian Armed Forces against the enemy forces who had occupied planned positions in the Kargil region of Jammu and Kashmir. As we remember the Kargil war and pay tribute to brave soldiers who laid down their lives, it is essential to reflect on the history of this day. Today I stand before you to speak about Kargil Vijay Diwas, a day that holds immense importance of every Indian. The Kargil war was fought for more than 2 months between May and July in the year 1999. The Indian Army faced numerous challenges in Kargil, including harsh weather conditions and lack of modern weaponry. Despite these challenges, the brave soldiers of Indian Army fought with courage, which eventually led to India's victory in this war. Kargil Vijay Diwas is celebrated every year on 26 July to remember and honor the sacrifice made by our soldiers during the war. It is a day to remember the brave soldiers who fought for our country's honor and made the supreme sacrifice to protect our motherland. We should express gratitude to the families of our soldiers who have supported them in their duties and have faced immense hardships. Thank you for all your patience. I wish you a very nice day ahead.
Dear teachers and my fellow cadets, here Varundeep Kaur to give a speech on Kargil Vijay Diwas is observed in India on July 26. Every year, the day is celebrated to commemorate India's victory in Kargil War of 1999. In May 1999, Pakistani soldiers crossed into Kargil district in Kashmir, leading to the between India and Pakistan Kargil Vijay Divas is important day for all Indians as it reminds us to satisfied made by soldiers to protect the country. The victory of Kargil war was not a just military achievement, it was a testament to courage and unwavering spirit of armed force. Let us never forget the lesson of Kargil war and always strive to contribute to security and progress of our nation. Jai Hind.
कक्षा 9वीं की विद्यार्थी आप सबका धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि आपने मुझे अपने विचार पेश करने का मौका दिया। मैं आज आपके सामने कारगिल विजय दिवस पर कुछ शब्द पेश करने जा रही हूँ। आशा करती हूँ कि आप ध्यानपूर्वक शांति से सुनेंगे। कारगिल विजय दिवस स्वतंत्र भारत के सभी देशवासियों के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण दिवस है। भारत के शौर्य का प्रतीक कारगिल विजय दिवस वर्ष 26 जुलाई को मनाया जाता है। इस दिन भारत और पाकिस्तान की सेनाओं के बीच वर्ष 1999 में कारगिल युद्ध हुआ था और 26 जुलाई के दिन उसका अंत हुआ और इसमें भारत विजय हुआ। इस दिन भारत के राष्ट्रपति, प्रधानमंत्री, सेना के अधिकारियों सहित सभी देशवासी तीनों सेनाओं की शौर्य को सम्मान करते और नमन करते हैं। इस युद्ध में भारत के 2 लाख सैनिकों ने भाग लिया था तथा 600 जवान शहीद हुए थे। इस युद्ध के समय भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी थे। इस दिन भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी नई दिल्ली में जवानों को श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं। सैनिकों की याद में प्रत्येक वर्ष कारगिल विजय दिवस का संपूर्ण भारत में कार्यक्रम आयोजित किए जाते हैं। हमारी सेना के इस वीर बलिदान को भुलाया नहीं जा सकता। ये हमें हमेशा प्रेरित करता है और भारतीय होने पर गर्व होना चाहिए। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ रहे।
Sacrifices, unforgettable Kargil Vijay Divas. A very good morning to one and all present here, esteemed teachers and my dear fellow students. This is Narinder Bir Kaur in front of you today to commemorate a significant day in the history of our nation. That is the Kargil Vijay Divas. On this day, we remember and honor the brave soldiers who fought valiantly for our country's victory in the Kargil War back in 1999. The Kargil War was a conflict that tested the courage, determination and resilience of our armed forces. It was not a fight between the enemy. It was also the fight with the unimaginable odds and unforgettable mountains. Our soldiers not only fought against the enemy but also with the odds. They faced extreme cold, lack of oxygen and different terrains, yet they never wavered in their dedication towards serving our beloved nation. Kargil Vijay Divas reminds us the sacrifices made by our brave soldiers who left comfort of their homes and families just to protect us. As we observe Kargil Vijay Divas, let us pledge never to forget the sacrifice made by our soldiers. Let us strive to uphold their legacy and work towards building a strong and secure nation. May their bravery and valor continue to inspire us from all our walks of life. Saluting the heroes of the Kargil. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Now I would like to invite Honorable Chairman Sir to say some valuable words on the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas. होश दुश्मन के उड़ा देंगे, हमें रोको ना आज। दूर रह पाए जो हमसे, दम कहाँ ये मंजिल में है। वो जिस्म भी क्या जिस्म है, जिसमें ना हो खूने जमूं, जिसमें ना हो खूने जमूं। क्या लड़े तूफानों से जो किश्ती के साहिल में है, क्या लड़े तूफानों से जो किश्ती के साहिल में है। सरनोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजू में कातिल में है, बाजू में कातिल में है। जय हिंद।
Dear students, very good morning to all of you. As you know, we are here to celebrate Kargil Vijay Divas. This is the day which is celebrated in the memory of our heroes who sacrificed their lives to save our motherland, our country, our region. So they sacrifice their lives so that we can grow, we can survive from the anti-national elements. So it is the day which we will remember not only the sacrifice, but we will also prepare ourselves so that we can contribute in the growth of the country. Because why they sacrifice lives? They sacrifice lives so that our India grows, to save it from the anti-national elements. So it is rightly said, जदों पता होवे सीनिया की शीप होने तो वे जंग जान वाले बंदे आम नहीं होंगे. So they laid down their lives. So I pay tribute to all these martyrs who saved